engaging all parts of your cognitive senses and feelings. And then most important, you can go back and physically look at it. You have evidence, and that will convince your mind even more. That's why scripting or writing down is so powerful, because it affects all parts of the mind. It gets your ego in on the game. It creates less distraction because your ego is busy processing. And then you have evidence you can go back and look at. Remember, this is for your subconscious now. So when you go back and look, even though your conscious is saying this didn't happen yet, that's fine. We're impressing our subconscious, which is highly illogical. So there you have it, the power of writing it down. And I believe if you're struggling, this is the key to get your success.